Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the real AppLovin account sign-up and verification process. Many developers around the world try to get approved on AppLovin because it is one of the most powerful ad networks for mobile apps. But the problem is that a large number of people get rejected during the approval process. So in this video, I will show you a real example so you can understand how the process actually works. First, you can see the AppLovin sign-up confirmation page on the screen. This page appears after submitting the registration form on the AppLovin website. When a developer completes the sign-up process, AppLovin receives the application and starts reviewing the account details. At this stage, the system checks the information provided by the developer. Usually, AppLovin checks several important factors before approving a new account. For example, they review the developer profile, the applications owned by the developer, and the App Store links associated with those applications. This is done to make sure that the account belongs to a real developer. Now you can see the official email from AppLovin. After reviewing the sign-up request, the AppLovin team often sends an email asking for additional information. In this email, they usually request a list of your applications along with the App Store URLs. This step is a normal part of the AppLovin verification process. However, many developers fail to pass this stage. Sometimes the apps are too new, sometimes the apps do not meet the platform requirements, and sometimes the developer cannot provide the proper information. Because of these reasons, many applications get rejected. That is why getting an AppLovin account approved can be challenging, especially for beginners who are new to mobile app monetization and ad networks. If you want to avoid the long approval process and possible rejection, another option is to use a ready-approved AppLovin account. If you are interested in getting an approved AppLovin account, you can contact me directly on WhatsApp for more information and availability. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AppLovin tips, approval guides, and monetization updates.